Now, let's see. Where was I? I wonder which way I ought to go.
Twas brilling, and the slimy toes did guile and gimble in the way. All the mimsy were the water goes, and the mole rats out to grave.
Now, where in the world do you suppose that...
Lose something?
Oh! Well, I was... No, I mean, I was just wondering...
Oh, that's quite all right. One moment, please. Ooh. Second chorus. 'Twas brilling, and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wave.
Why, you're a cat.
A Cheshire cat, all a mimsy. Oh, the water goes.
Oh, wait! Don't go, please!
Very well. Third chorus.
Oh, no. Thank you, but I just wanted to ask you which way I ought to go.
Well, that depends on where you want to get to.
Oh, it really doesn't matter. As long as I can...
Then it really doesn't matter which way you go.
Squirrel!
Oh, by the way, if you'd really like to know, he went that way.
Who did?
The White Rabbit.
He did?
He did what?
Went that way.
Who did?
The White Rabbit.
What rabbit?
But didn't you just say... I mean, oh, dear.
Can you stand on your head? However, if I were looking for a white rabbit, I'd ask the Mad Hatter.
Mad Hatter? No, I don't...
Or there's the March Hare in that direction.
Thank you. I think I shall visit him.
Of course, he's mad, too.
But I don't want to go among mad people.
Oh, you can't help that. Most everyone's mad here. You may have noticed that I'm not all there myself. And the more us out of breath.
Goodness. If the people here are like that, I must try not to upset them.